Well, certainly has cooled off, and that's the kind of weather we're going to see next several days. You'll need to wear your spring jacket, maybe even a fleece underneath, because it's going to be awfully cool. 13 weather ball, though, for tomorrow is red. Not quite as cool weather ahead, but we'll stay in the 50s. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast an afternoon high of 61. Only has made 55 this afternoon. Thought it would be just a little bit warmer. That's a rare turkey. 3 in a row that we have missed, and back below average for our temperatures. And we've had a fair number of cooler than average temperatures over the last 13 days, and we're going to put a lot more of these in a row. Heading over to tulip time on Wednesday, you can expect a coolish day. The winds will be a little bit brisk out of the northwest. Temperatures will climb up into the low and mid 50s with more afternoon sunshine than to start the day, but there'll be some sun early on. You can see lots of cloud cover across the region. There have been a couple of sprinkles down south of the Michigan-Indiana border. I think that's where they will stay here overnight tonight as another wave of low pressure moves right up along that cold front. Back to the west, we got a couple of upper level disturbances that's going to be crashing through the Great Lakes region, and that's going to give us a couple of chances of rain, but not during the day tomorrow. Hour by hour, you can see the clouds are going to be in and out throughout the night. We'll have a few breaks by tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll open up a lot of sunshine across much of the region, and that will continue right on into tomorrow night before the next cloud pattern comes on through. This is going to have some showers very late Wednesday night. When you wake up in the morning on Thursday, there will be wet weather across the region, but that will move out fairly quickly into the afternoon with some sunshine returning. We're going to do this again very early on Friday. Another batch of some showers coming on through. Wouldn't be surprised if there are a couple of wet snowflakes or a little bit of that soft pellet of snow, otherwise known as graupel, but that will move on out, giving way to a very frosty start on Saturday morning. That's our best threat for some frost. Some afternoon clouds, but no precipitation expected. And then on Sunday, we'll see some morning clouds and afternoon sunshine. So it should be nice for Mother's Day, at least a little bit on the warmer side. There's the sprinkles this evening. We'll start to see some more rain late tomorrow night through the day on Thursday. And this is about what we could see, just enough to wet the ground, maybe a quarter of an inch in some areas. We are still running a precipitation deficit. So again, for tomorrow, look for morning clouds or a little bit of sun. More sunshine as the day goes on as we reach the low and mid 50s. Up north, you could expect readings to be in the low and mid 50s, a little bit warmer than today with morning clouds and afternoon sun. And similarly here in the greater Grand Rapids area, the clouds will clear from west to east with highs into the mid and upper 50s. 13 on your side forecast. The average high is 66. We will not see that probably for about 10 days or so, as lots of clouds around. Dry tomorrow. There's that rain tomorrow night through Thursday into the afternoon. Separate round of some showers then on Friday, but dry weekend for Mother's Day. Next week, there could be a chance of a shower along about Friday night. So back into the cool, almost early spring kind of weather, guys.
It's going to be mid-May before it feels like mid-May.
I think it will.
Yeah, but nice for the weekend. So.
Yes, right now.
Thank you, George.